Maulya is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can do it. Or first you do, or tell me, or I will wait for 2 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
Before doing, also check any alternatives have non-terminal. The non-terminal, if it is replaced, you will get it or not. As like you did indirect left recursion. You just think also that possibility is also every problem. If any doubt on left recursion, left factoring, the next class onwards we can go top down parsing. Okay, Malia, can we start?
Ma'am, I'm still doing, ma'am.
Okay. I will check chat box answer also.
Ma'am, lex LEXP, LEXP dot dash Q. It's a one or separate we can break it.
LEXP is one word. LEXP, comma is the next terminal symbol. The next one is LEXP, hyphen SEQ is the one word.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Okay, more let's start it. It will not take too much of time. It is simple problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
In first expression, ma'am, there is no common, ma'am.
Okay,
Bottom
first
or list,
expression. I'll write down first expression, not required. I don't want to write. The first
in second expression also, ma'am. In second expression
second
order.
expression is required. Number is there, identifier is there, and number is also terminal, and identifier is also terminal. Then both are is a different terminal, not required for the left factoring. Not required left factoring. Third one.
Third one also, ma'am. There is.
Third one is also not required left factoring. Let's come to the
In
fourth one.
Yes, ma'am. Common is LXP slash
Both
SEQ,
the thing
ma'am.
you have a LEXP and LEXP. See, this is the common, and we called as a this is an alpha.
Alpha.
Okay. How to write now? LEXP hyphen SEQ derives.
It's
What is the alpha?
LEXP
LEXP
slash of whole bar
dash
dash
LEXP dash.
S.
Okay, is there any gamma?
From
Is there
LEXP
gamma in the production? There is no gamma. Let me go for LEXP dash derives. What is the beta? Beta
Gamma
is taken from the gamma. Gamma is also terminal. Don't leave it a gamma.
LEXP
Gamma LEXP minus SEQ. Then
no epsilon.
no epsilon. Epsilon.
Epsilon only
epsilon, because LEXP completely you took, then remaining thing is only epsilon.
Epsilon.
You get. Why I have not received any chat message? Nobody didn't write. Okay, this is for the 10th problem answer. Any doubt? Let me go for the next problem. 11th one. I want to get answer from Nikita. 89. 89 in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
R derives TRT. T derives F star RF. F derives CCRC. And EC derives RARBC. R derives TRRT. T derives F star RF. F derives ECC. C derives open parenthesis RARBRC. Okay. I got one answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you doing or directly can tell me the answer?
Ma'am, in first step, T is common. So R derives T R dash.
1 minute, I will write it. Solution. R derives, first production. R derives, what is the
T
common?
R dash.
T
T
R
is common, ma'am.
What is R dash?
R dash will be either R or epsilon, ma'am.
R or epsilon. Very good. Then we go for the B production.
B production common is F.
Okay.
So T derives F T dash.
F T dash.
T dash derives either star or epsilon.
Very good. Third one.
And again, F derives C is common, ma'am.
Okay, how to write?
C F dash or E.
Very good. C F dash or E. There is E is a gamma.
E is
okay.
A gamma.
What is
And
E dash?
F dash derives epsilon.
F dash or E derives? Sorry. Okay. F dash derives. F dash derives epsilon. Because
That's
both
all.
the production you have only epsilon. Epsilon only. You can write it only epsilon. Okay. Next
Yes,
is C.
Last it's not required, ma'am.
Okay. This is the D. Not required. R, A, B, or C. Okay. Very good, Nikita. Okay, next.
Yes.
Karan Kishore. 90 USA number is there in the class? USA number 90. Okay. Sahana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next problem from yours. Okay, take down the problem. Okay, this is also important problem. This is the almost question paper problem. Declaration derives type space VARLIST. Declaration arrow mark type TYP type then VARLIST variable list anta karitare, variable list, VARList. The next line, what is type? Type is a non-terminal. The type can be defined as the type either int or float, FLOAT. It is a terminal, int or float. Next, what is variable list? VARLIST. Variable list derives identify, comma, identifier is a one symbol, comma, var list or identifier. Identifier, comma, variable list or alternative identifier. Okay, Sahana, you got the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, for the first two statements, it is not required, ma'am.
Check properly, is it required or not? Just substituting also, not type. You will not get type is, you will get int or float. Variable is not. First one, not required. You have to write the statement. Declaration type variable is not required, left factoring. Then go second statement also, you should be copied on in the exam. Not required, left factoring. You copied on the third problem. Then we have to replace by. It should be copied on the problem. Then replaced by. San answer.
Identifier, ma'am.
You don't want left side.
Yes, ma'am. Var list.
Variable list arrow mark. What is the common?
Identifier.
Identifier.
Var list dash.
Var list dash. Is there any gamma?
No, ma'am. Only epsilon.
Okay. Next is var list dash is
comma var list,
comma var list
and epsilon.
And epsilon. Very good. Okay. Okay, next Narendra.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 13th problem. Narendra, I will check your intelligent now. 13th. Okay, somewhat is the tricky question. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, don't worry. That is simple problem. Just you have to put analysis. Okay, let us start. My screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Take down statement. Statement, STATEMENT. Statement derives arrow mark. Statement arrow mark. Then assign, ASSAIN. Assign one hyphen STMT. ASSAIGN. Assign hyphen statement or CALL. Call hyphen statement. CALL hyphen statement or other. OTHR. Three alternatives. Okay. The student, you can copy it on. Statement derives. Statement derives assign statement. ASSAIN. Assign hyphen statement or CALL hyphen statement or others. Okay. The next, I have to define what is assign statement. ASSAIN. Assign hyphen statement. Assign statement arrow mark. Identifier. Identifier colon is equal to EXP. Identifier colon is equal to EXP. EXP is expression. Okay, next line. Call statement. Call statement arrow mark. Identifier, close the bracket, EXP hyphen list. EXP hyphen list. Call statement arrow mark identifier, open parenthesis, EXP dash LIST, close the parenthesis. Okay, question is clear for all? Okay. Let me start doing. I will get 2 minutes time.
Ma'am, what is next to that call statement, ma'am?
Others. Others. OTHER.
Thanks.
Please ask, free to ask any doubt. If it's not visible also, please ask. Don't hesitate for while asking.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, Narendra, can you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Tell me the answer.
Statement gives identifier.
Directly. Statement gives identifier. You tell me what you are doing,
Yes.
because you know the logic. I had to explain for the
Statement
others. Yeah, explain.
Okay.
Why you are choosing an identifier?
Identifier because assign statement or call statement both have identifier in common, ma'am.
See, just
So
check
I'm
the
trying.
statement. This is an assignment statement. Is a non-terminal. Narendra, is it right? Assignment test and non-terminal.
Yes, ma'am.
You can replace with these things in this place.
Yes, ma'am. I can.
Again, go to call statement. Call statement
Then,
is also a
call statement and
non-terminal.
replacement call statement.
Then you go replace this
So
one.
replace the.
After replacement,
And
you get it what? Identifier as a
Identify this.
common. Okay, don't think every time only you have to choose only the alternatives in the given question. See, if it is terminal symbol, your answer is correct. But if it is non-terminal symbol, you have to check is any other possibilities for substitution. After substitution, you will get a left recursion or not. The same way as a left factoring, left recursion. The same way you have to check left factoring is there or not. First, you have to do Narendra statement, replacing statement. That is also carries marks. Statement derives. First, you have to substitute assign statement as identifier colon is equal to what? Expression, or then let me go for the call statement. What is a call statement? Identifier. Yeah. exp hyphen list, or what is there, Narendra, next time?
Other.
You should be keep as it is other. Okay. Now that replaced by the above statement can be replaced by Narendra, answer.
Ma'am, statement gives.
Statement gives.
Identifier.
What is the common between both the alternatives?
Identifier.
Identifier is the common between both the alternatives. You can take identifier. Next statement.
Statement dash.
Statement dash. See, any student have a doubt, please ask me. Statement dash.
Or others.
Or other. That is for your gamma. Others. What is statement
Then
dash?
statement dash is colon equal to.
Statement dash is equal to colon is equal to exp.
Or open parenthesis exp.
Open parenthesis exp. List. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, next. Don't leave that one. It should be completed. Assign statement, you should be arrayed. There is not required. Is it required second line?
No, ma'am, it's not required, ma'am. Both second and
Directly
third
write
line
on the remaining production, not required. There is no alternatives. The second statement, what is that? Is there any alternative?
No.
You have to write there is no alternative. There is no alternative. Then no need to looking for left factoring. That is your answer. There is no alternative. You have to write. Okay, this is your resultant grammar. These type of problem may come. You should be think like this also. The narrator is very good. Excellent. Okay, you should be think like that, all of you. You should be replaced like that. I got answer from what? 400. Akshay, next 2 steps ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
Yeah, ma'am. ಇವಾಗ ಬರ್ದ ma'am. Sorry.
ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Who is next? Okay. After Narendra. Niharika BR. See, I think you are comfortable with now left factoring.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys, if you stop, I will 15th problem I will end up. Niharika, your problem start now. 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
A derives small a capital B or A B C or AAC. You check, my screen is visible, right?
Ma'am, your PPT is visible.
Yeah, that only I'm telling. You only copied on the problem, don't copy on the answer. A small a capital A B or A capital B small c or small a capital A C.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Niharika answer.
1 second, ma'am.
Right. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
we have to take the most common one. So A will be most common.
1 minute, I will share my screen. Okay, tell me, Niharika. Which one I can take now? A derives.
A derives A, small a.
1 minute. My screen is visible right now. Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me. A derives. Which one is common between all those? Capital
Ma'am, yes.
A or only A you are taking?
Your screen is not visible, ma'am.
2 minutes. Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Niharika. Your choice is which one? Or you take only small a or you take both A and capital A?
Both A and capital A.
Then can I take both A and capital A as alpha?
Yes, ma'am.
Then this is ABC is what? Gamma.
Gamma.
Okay, now how to write it now? Next statement, tell me.
Then A dash.
First tell me, A derives?
A derives A. A dash.
What is gamma?
ABC.
ABC. Okay, next. What is A dash?
Then A dash will be B or C.
Okay. Next. Is it required one more left recursion or that is only your answer?
That is only my answer, ma'am.
Okay, is it correct, Niharika, what she's telling?
Ma'am, in another way, if we take only small a as the.
Okay, now assume, Niharika, now assume you get A and A dash both are visible, right? Now think A, I have again two alternatives A and A.
Yes, ma'am.
Again the parser will get confused. Which one can I take, this or this? Then you have to do apply once again.
Again A will come.
Once again left factoring. What is the answer now? A derives?
A derives
A into?
A double dash.
A double dash. What is A double dash now?
A double dash will be A or B.
A dash or B, C. Clear? See, anybody have any doubt? Okay, Naharika, now the resultant grammar you have to write A dash and B dash. The resultant grammars are first you write A derives A double dash. What is A dash? A dash derives capital B small c. A double dash derives A dash and B small c. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Shall I go for the last problem? Okay. Niharika R 90. Niharika C 95.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yours says. Okay. Take down the problem. I think 15 problem is enough. Can go for the next other topic. Anybody have any doubt? I will wind up with this problem. Okay, yes derives small a capital A D or small a capital B. Next, capital A derives small a or small a B. Capital B derives small c C D or small d D C. Question ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ನಿಹಾರಿಕಾ ಸಿ?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, amma. Thank you. Answer ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
One minute, ma'am.
ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ. ಓಕೆ. ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರಾ. See, yaar chat box, those who are putting only chat box, those answer script only I will evaluate. Others I don't want to evaluate your test scripts. See, remaining you nobody will not put it in the chat box. I am expecting 60 people. See, I am getting only 3 to 4 people in the chat box. What about others? See, don't think I am bothered about my feedback. I don't want bother about my feedback. My intention is I want to get all students should be get good marks. See, why I am forcing is you have to at least involved in the class. You may think why madam is strict, why is forcing me for all those things. Simply joining the class, it's not a job. What you're doing the class, that is very important. You can give very less feedbacks. Say, I don't mind. See, if your madam is scolding so much of you doing all those things, I'm not scolding anything, just I'm telling to learn the concept. If you feel this is very difficult for us, you tell me, I don't want to do anything. Likit ni friends na keli, you can intimate me. If you want to do these many problems or 1 or 2 problem is enough. I will wind up there only, I will move on to the next topic. See, to learn the concept, I am doing this much. Okay, I got one answer from 193. Stravia. A S dash derives A D or B. A derives A dash. Okay, Stravia is correct. Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am?
Yeah, tell me. I'm waiting for the answer.
Oh, okay. S derives.
Okay.
A is common, ma'am. So
Okay.
A is dash.
A S dash.
S dash derives.
S dash derives.
Capital A D.
Capital A D.
Or B.
Or B.
Second one, ma'am. A derives. Small a, capital A dash.
Okay.
A dash derives. Epsilons or B.
Okay.
Third one, there's no common, ma'am.
Okay, I have to write down not required.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the small c. Okay, very good. Okay, let I wind up now for left factoring. I think all of you know. Yes or no? Can a thumbs up? How many of you know this one? I will check out how many thumbs up I got it. Left factoring. I understand, ma'am, like that. $23 I got. 65 students are there. Right now 657s are there. Only these many. Don't simply rise. Okay, let us share my screen now. Check it out. Okay, this is the question paper. Just I will go through your question paper. Now I will end up that left factoring. Let I move on to the next sample programs on Lex and Yak next class. Just we go now. The question paper for January 2019 for regarding these topics, that is for a module 3 syntax analysis. What type of question can become in the exam? See, we'll get syntax analysis, the question. See, observe the 7C question. How left recursion can be eliminated from the grammar? Can you, my screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the question is, yes, how left recursion can be eliminated? If you want, you can take down the question. How left recursion can be eliminated from the grammar? Write down the simple arithmetic expression grammar. See, question is given, you only write the grammar. Write down the simple arithmetic expression grammar. Then you have to go with E derives E plus E derives E minus E, like that. Plus, minus, star, division. All the operators should be there. When he says arithmetic expression, at least include plus, minus, star, division and parenthesis expression. Write down the simple arithmetic expression grammar and rewrite the grammar after removing left recursion. Definition carries 2 marks. Then problem for elimination of those grammar carries 2 marks. 4 marks question. Okay, how left recursion can be eliminated from the grammar? Write down the simple arithmetic expression grammar. Rewrite the grammar after removing left recursion. You know the answer? Go for the 8A question, today's class. What is left factoring? What is left factoring? Rewrite the following grammar. Rewrite the following grammar after left factor. See, definition carries 2 marks. You should be write down complete definition. Don't write only formula. The grammar is of type. Then alternatives like this that can be replaced by using this formula. See, you have to detail write it. Okay, now the left factor is S derives IETS. My first problem. IETS or IETS ES or A, E derives B. 4 marks. Any doubt in this question? What you will write?
Ma'am, 1 minute. Go back
question
to the
markota idira.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Okay, dictate ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. See, you can do it. What is left factoring? Rewrite the following grammar. Rewrite the following grammar after left factor. S derives, IETS or IETSES or A or E derives B. If it is over, please intimate me. I will go for the next paper. ಲಿಖಿತ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next question paper. July 2019. The previous is January 2019. Okay, now the July 2019. First chapter I already gave. Okay, I'll have to take down the question. 7A. 7A. Do it. Define left recursion grammar. Define left recursion grammar. Eliminate left recursion from the following grammar. Eliminate left recursion from the following grammar. Question paper alli the small s agide, that is actually capital S. S derives small a capital B or small a small c or capital S small d capital S small e. Capital S small d capital S small e. Next, B derives B capital B C or F. C derives G. Okay, 96 Neharika, is it required left recursion for the grammar?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you forget or you remember left recursion? Can you do it? 3 marks question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anyone you can did, put it in the chat box. How many lines are there left recursion? Only the first production have a left recursion. Remove like S, SD, SE or AB, AC. You had to remove from beta production. A derives A alpha. You got answer. 119 ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
Instead of recursion.
ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಏನದು? ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಓದಿದ್ರಾ? The question is left recursion, right, Rajat?
Yes, I forgot.
ನೀವು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಡೌಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. Read the question. Okay. Okay, check the answer from what was that? 94. Pick Niharika. Okay, Niharika BR. The answer is correct. Those who don't know the answer, you can check from the chat box. 74 Likita is also okay. Okay, let's move on to see. I don't have a time too much, just I will discuss. Next 7B. The 7B, check the question. Consider the following context-free grammar. Consider the following context-free grammar. S derives SS plus, I did. S derives, same problem I did in the class. S derives SS plus or SS star or A. And input string is AA plus A star. Input string is AA plus A star. Give the LMD and RMD. And second part is parse tree. Third one is the grammar ambiguous? You have to give justification why. Describe the language generated by the grammar. What type of language is generated? Left factor the grammar. You have to write the statement. The input is followed by what? Left factor the grammar. Give LMD or RMD. Okay. Left factor the grammar. Can you do left factoring for this? Remaining, you know, LMD, RMD, parse tree, you know, the grammar is ambiguous, you know, and you can write the language that is for input accepted by A followed by plus and have input end. Left factor. Pick in the chat box. These two questions from July 2019. Any answer? Left factoring. Shall I go for the next question paper? Okay. S derives SS dash A dash derives plus and epsilon. Okay, good. Okay, let me go for the next question paper. January 2020. In this chapter, you'll get a question. What is the role of parser Let's check out the question. Take down. What is the role of parser? Explain the different error recovery strategies. What is the role of parser? What is the role of parser? Explain the different error recovery strategy. 8 marks, January 2020. January 2020. What is the role of parser? Explain the different error recovery strategies. Okay. See, you will get a next question. See, don't copy this one. 7B. Next, after the internals, we'll do it. Construct LL1 parsing table for the following production. For this type of question is given 8 marks. You have to do from left recursion. Question is not asking. Only tell construction LL1 parsing. To do LL1 parsing, you have to check the grammar is left recursion or left factoring. Then you have to remove left recursion or left factoring. Then only should we go for the next step, constructing for LL1 grammar. Do you have a left recursion required for the 7B question? Is it required 7B? Left recursion or left factoring? Which one should be required?
Left recursion required, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. After removing left recursion, then only should we go for the construction of your parsing table. Okay, let me go for the next year question paper. In this year, you get 8 marks question. Role of parser till now. After that, you have one more question, 8 marks. That will be come under later. Okay, let us go for the next one more question paper. The September 2020. The September 2020. C will get LD rise T. I mean, with respect to that, you don't have any questions. You have a LL1. You will get a question next. Compute first and follow predictive parsing. Here there is, yeah. Observe 7A. 7A. Observe the question. Don't write anything. Is it required? Because we have to construct a parsing table. To construct parsing table for the top-down parsing, the grammar is there is no left recursion, left factoring. Is it required any left recursion or left factoring for the grammar? 7A.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you do it left recursion for that grammar. Which line is required?
L derives L semicolon ID or ID. Ma'am.
Yeah, very good. For that we required left recursion for the grammar. And 7B?
E derives E plus T or T, ma'am.
Okay.
And T derives T, F or F, ma'am.
Very good. Is it,
even last also, ma'am.
Third one, what you record again? Left recursion is also required for that grammar. Okay. Okay. In that question paper, you have only those things. Okay. Part 1, I already gave a questions. So many. Okay. Part B, you can accept this for all those type of problem. Okay, I think which one answer I got? SSS dash. Okay, clear, I think, your doubts. I did maximum problem for left recursion, left factoring first. I will upload these also. Today I will upload the PPT for this module 4. Then next class onwards we'll do next type of problem. Okay. All the best. I will end my class now. Thank you.